But I give hope. I come back with an impression that things are moving in India, also for the tribal society.
This is southern part of Goa, the last part of our So this is tribal area or
tribal area.
So we are hope that we give us over there regarding agriculture. And
but that's what I'm trying to explain. What we would like to do is, under the wise guidance of Honorable Speaker Tabaka, but also being inspired by your Honorable President Draupadi Murmu. I heard her the other day, and she was talking about how really to move India Bharat ahead. We would like to bring welfare, we like to bring dairy, we like to bring health, we like to bring new hope, new opportunities for this area. And to see is believing. If I had not been here, it would have been difficult for me to understand the future of the tribal societies of India. But now I'm here and I can see. And it's really important. I go back from this area, Canacona, to Delhi with a strong impression that this is also India, and we need really to work hard, all of us, even the foreigners and ambassadors like me, to bring back a message to Delhi. This is the future of India. Here you have a strong culture, you have the strong personalities who would drive forward this tribal society of Goa.
Join them.
Yes.
You are keen interest in this.
Yes. I like India, have a passion about India. I like culture because these girls, they have been practicing for a long time. So these people are a little bit shy, but I'm jumping into it. I think you have to connect her. So whatever you're doing and how they're doing, it's fantastic. And also now I'm here, you are on in my mind, and it's really fantastic. So in Delhi, I live very close to the Goa Sadan, and every morning I take a walk. So every time I pass the Goa Sadan, so when coming back, I will just say, oh, I was also in Canacona, and there's a future also. It's fantastic. It's so great, so good and green. Lots of opportunities. Move forward. Decide your future. Take responsibility. The Honorable Prime Minister launched last year this Vision for Life, which is basically about taking individual responsibility. You can't ask the Honorable Speaker to do everything for yourself. No, you have, each of you, including me, we have to take responsibility. And this heart doctor, Dr. Tripathi, he also knows how to take responsibility. And therefore we are also going to cut the ribbon for the clinic on wheels. Health is important, education is important, and more importantly, more and more.
Fishing,
We have to move forward.
Fishing.
Yeah, fishing.
Yeah, fishing, yeah. Oh, I had fantastic fish yesterday. Oh my goodness, very good.
Very good.
And I hope that aquaculture will also be a part of this kind of interaction we have had. Denmark is a fishing nation, so we are doing deep sea fishing, we are doing aquaculture, and we have very, very strong processing skills. So when it's about what Mother Earth gives us from energy, solar, wind, from Mother Ocean, fish, mussels, and so forth, we can also be renewed. Mother Earth is also giving a lot of produce, so we will also be with you in that.
What is the population of Denmark?
6 million people. So how many lakhs is that? 60, yeah.
60.
Yeah, 60
Yeah.
lakhs.
10 into 6.
So we are small, but we are smart. Huh? Like you in Goa.